Most people think you need a website when they start with Kajabi. But when it comes to launching, what you really need is just a few core elements inside Kajabi. Once these are set up, you're ready to sell and deliver your offer with confidence. Hi, I'm Diane, a Kajabi expert who's helped over 60 business owners launch their offers online. And in this video, I'll walk you through the essential Kajabi elements you need to launch your offer successfully. The first element is your product. Whether it's a course, a coaching program, a community, a download, a newsletter, or even a podcast, this is what you're actually selling inside Kajabi. And if you're not sure which product type is right for you, go watch Clarity on What to Sell, Kajabi's 6 product types explained. That video will help you make the right choice. You need a sales page that clearly explains your offer, what it is, who it is for, and the transformation and how it works. Speak directly to your audience. What problem does it solve, and what result will they get, and why they should choose you. Keep it simple, focused on value. Next, you'll set up your offer in Kajabi, and a checkout page is created automatically. This is where people actually purchase from. Kajabi makes it simple. Set your pricing, connect it to your product, link it to your email sequence, and customize the checkout page to fit your brand. And finally, you need your post-purchase emails. These emails welcome your new customer, guide them on what happens next, and make them feel supported. It's often overlooked, but it makes a huge difference to how your customers experience your brand. You don't need a full custom website. You don't need advanced branding or design. Focus on these essential elements first, and you'll be ready to launch. To help you, I've put together a free guide, the 7 steps to launch your Kajabi offer. It shows you how these elements fit into your bigger launch plan. If you're ready to try this yourself, grab my 30-day free trial link for Kajabi in the show notes. And while you're there, download the 7 steps to launch your Kajabi offer. Those are the Kajabi elements you need to launch your offer: your product, a sales page, your offer, and a checkout and post-purchase onboarding emails. Focus on these and you'll be ready to launch with confidence. I'm Diane Keeley-Smith, your Kajabi expert.